and welcome. This time around we're revisiting the Palmgren Vise because this thing is annoying me. As you see, I've actually got these tightened down and it's completely loose, both sides. And the only way I can actually get it to tighten and stay tight is to have it at an angle, which is really annoying. So let's disassemble this guy and find out what's going on. Without removing the vise completely off the bench, I have taken both tightening bolts off the bottom, and now we're going to lift this guy out and see how the locking mechanism works. The bottom of the vise has a little bit of a lip, about 1/4 of an inch, and that recesses into the base. And inside the base is a cast iron bit that has some really cheesy serrations which lock up on the serrations on the side. I don't know if you can see this, but maybe. So the solution is to either take this piece out and remove a little bit of material, because what's happening is this piece is mating with this piece before the teeth have a chance to fully engage in all positions. So we either take this piece out and machine it down, and since this is not very thick cast iron, I'm a little hesitant to do that. Or I can take the vise itself and take a little bit off the base of the vise. Also not a ton of material. Neither solution makes me overly happy, but we'll try and do it like maybe 50 thousandths, and hopefully that'll be enough to help this thing lock off completely. I decided to pop this guy off for you so you can get a better view. You can see the serrations that made in here. But this piece is not terribly thick, so if I remove some of this material, that's going to leave it thin. I mean, maybe I could move a little bit off each, but rather than guess, I am going to actually measure it. So we're going to pop it in here, take a depth mic, and then see what we get. A quick depth measurement lets me know that I only need to take maybe 10 or 20 thousandths off this. So I'm going to vote for the vise body here. I don't like it, but we're going to try that first and see how that works. And maybe we'll get to stop this vise from being a total pain. All right, bring you back in a sec. Using my anvil as a flat reference, which I thought would be a terrible idea. Well, terrible, I mean there's not a lot of reference points on this vise, but it looks like this thing's pretty darn flat. They actually did machine it. So there's only maybe 1/1000th and a half, 2/1000ths difference from side to side. Let's see, we're almost there. Sorry about that. Yeah, about 2/1000ths difference. So I think we're going to accept that the top anvil is my reference, and we are just going to machine right across this guy and take off maybe 25 to 50 thousandths. I'm sorry about the hand holding on this camera. I have yet to make a bracket to hold it, so that's next on my agenda. Alright, let's just take a look at a pass here. 20 thousandths pass. One more thing before I do the reverse pass here. You notice this lip here in the casting? I think that's all the material I need to remove, but we're gonna take it down a little bit further than that, just to be sure, but not a whole lot. So anyways, let me do my last pass on this side, then we're gonna come back and do another 5,000 skim for a total of 25 thousandths off, then we'll go try it again. Second pass did 5 thousandths depth of cut and up the RPM to about 1800 and got a really nice finish. I got to deburr this guy still. We'll pop it back on and give it a test. All right, fantastic. Here we are in the horizontal position. I've never been able to get it tight there before. Loosen it up. Very smooth. Pick another angle. And of course, it's going to want to drop into a specific tooth. So, and there we are, solid again. Nice. It's a real shame that Palmgren doesn't care enough about their product that they couldn't just do one quick finishing pass over this to make these two pieces meet properly, made appropriately. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Hope to see you next time.